Sorry, what? Yes. I think a lot of good content, बहुत सारा अच्छा content आता है from the regional cinema, especially from Malayalam. There's so many national award winning films and all that. So I do follow. Yes. They always make very out of the box films. I have a lot of respect for the technicians out there and the writers. They always come up with very interesting concepts. So yeah. Sorry. So my next film is Baba Black Sheep, and there's one more called Red Affair, which will come early next year. Uh, I really enjoy it. I mean, I like to try doing different things as an actress. I don't want to be stuck to one thing, so it's always great. Okay, thank you.
हेलो
Hey, कैसे हैं आप? I have been looking forward to this film Angamali Diaries. मैंने ना इसका ट्रेलर देखा है ना कुछ देखा है, मैंने पोस्टर देखा है एंड आई हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम मेनी फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम माइंड फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री जिन्होंने इसका पहला स्क्रीनिंग देखा था एंड देव बीन ओनली रेविंग अबाउट दिस फिल्म. तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट बिजॉय सर हैज केप्ट द स्क्रीनिंग एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस फिल्म. अब एक्चुअली लैंग्वेज मैटर नहीं करती. जब भी आपको पता लगता है कुछ अच्छी कहानी है, क्रेडिबल कहानी है, तो हमेशा मन करता है देखने का. एंड जैसे कि मैंने कहा, बहुत अच्छी बातें सुनी है इस कहानी के बारे में. ग्रिटी है, स्ट्रॉन्ग फिल्म है. तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और मुझे बिल्कुल इस फिल्म के बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं पता. तो आई एम इवन मोर एक्साइटेड कि एक अननोन स्पेस में जा रहा हूँ. अभी एक इसी साल एक फिल्म आएगी कॉल्ड लव पर स्क्वायर फुट, which is being produced by Ronnie Screwwala in his maiden production house called RSVP, directed by Anand Tiwari, and that biopic that I'm working on.
which have been an ID. Yes, sir. Come close, come. Rolling.
Oh, Malayalam films, they're very well-made films, and Angamali Diaries, I've heard a lot about it. It's a big super hit made with 86 newcomers. So it's not a joke. I think they're all excited to see what's in there. The 86 newcomers have got their big break, and let's see. Maybe it's remade in Hindi sometimes.
You are also
Looking beautiful and your costume. Can you tell us more regarding your costume?
Oh, my costume, yeah, you're for the film, yeah. Okay, my costume, just a regular, like, wow, it's a film costume, it's not some red carpet thing. I'm wearing forever new dress. And
Ma'am, you have also worked for South films. What difference do you find when working in Hindi films and South films?
I have worked for South films. There's no difference. It's end of the day, we are just acting. We are artists. We are acting here. We are acting in Bollywood or in Tamil, Telugu.
It's more professional than Hindi.
No, it's not like that. Hindi is also very professional. At least the people I have worked with.
And people are more punctual over there as compared.
It's not like that. It's just something that has been said. I have never experienced not being punctual on the sets. I think Bollywood, Tollywood, everybody has to be punctual if they're making a film. So,
And what all your film projects you are working in right now?
I have currently just finished shooting for Looked, which is a psychological thriller, and I think they're lovely actors like Javed Jafri, Vijay Raj, and ensemble cast are looking forward.
Ma'am, you are looking so much fit. Any planning videos?
We are actors. We got to be fit, man. Please understand.
It's a proud moment for Malayalam cinema actually, and all of us. Lijo, for me, for Friday Film House. I mean, such a small movie from a small state like Kerala. It's been honored here by the Bollywood, by a big crowd here, and we thank 1018 MB and Vijay Nambiar for organizing such a show for us. And we are amazed by the response. I mean, it's the love for good cinema. And all credits go to Lijo because we introduced 86 newcomers in this movie. And to have 86 newcomers who have never faced the camera, it's a nightmare for the director. So all credits to him. I just
Now, what do you want to see the all Bollywood celebrities are coming and here?
No, I should say I'm overwhelmed. I'm super glad to see the kind of crowd which has turned up to the evening. I just want to see how they respond to the cinema.
How you see the Bollywood and Malayalam stuff, Tollywood is that what difference is between?
I seriously don't know what to say about it, but when, I don't see any difference. Basically, we all make cinema. Good cinema and bad cinema, that's all. So we try to make good cinema everywhere, in all industries. That's what.
Any planning for entering in Hollywood?
about cinema, it's not about Bollywood. Yeah, but it's about Hindi cinema. If there is some movie which can be remade from Malayalam, we are looking forward to it.
So what about you, Bollywood?
No, I have not planned as of now anything. If something interesting comes my way, definitely. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
थोड़ा ऐसे टर्न हो जाओ
अदर सामने
बस ये
अदर सेंटर अदर यहाँ पे
Rolling? Just a camera. Ma'am, it's a Malayalam film. You are working in the South industry. What difference you find working in the South industry and
I'm actually a Tamilian, a Malayali myself.
Okay.
My native place is Kerala. I haven't worked in Malayali film yet though. I haven't done Malayalam cinema yet. I've done Telugu, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada.
you recently see the PETA event as well. What do you
Yes. Yes, the PETA event was yesterday and we launched India's first fashion lookbook for vegan fashion. So I'm wearing cotton today. So I don't really use leather and stuff in real life anyway. And I'm happy to be part of PETA.
And after Commando 2, what's in the pipeline you're coming?
Lots and lots of stuff, but as you met me even before Commando 2 and I signed it then and I didn't tell you, but I feel like you should start projects and then speak about them happily.
And the kind of role you played in Commando, you want to continue that kind of, it was very bold and very kind of role. And
I think with every film you should do a different role. If you're an actress and you're getting to play different characters, that's what we are all looking for. So I try with each film to do something new. So with Commando I try to do something funny. In all the South films, most of the ones I've done, my roles have been very emotionally, I've been crying and all in films. So
Ma'am, what is the difference between different South Indian film and a Bollywood film, according to you?
I'll be very diplomatic and say the language. Yes, it started. I don't want to miss the film, okay? I'm going to watch the film. It's the language. The language is totally different and I have to mug up lines because I don't speak Telugu or Kannada. So when I do a South film, I'm sitting with a book. I feel like I'm in school 10th standard exams.
Ma'am, today your costume is different. Can you tell us about your costume?
My costume.
You did a hairstyle coloring. Can you tell us about it?
My hair was colored yesterday also. I put a choti today. This is the hairstyle, this is the earring and this is my costume. And now I must go watch the film because otherwise I'll miss and I don't like missing movies.
Thank
Bye.
you so much. Thank you.
हुआ? Just rolling. Harsh Madani, you are working many South films as well. Doing the South film. What kind of difference you find in South working culture and working in a Bollywood film?
मुझे लगता है सब कुछ सेम हो गया है. अब तो आर्टिस्ट भी सेम हो गए, सब आर्टिस्ट शेयर हो रहे हैं, डायरेक्टर शेयर हो रहे हैं, म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर शेयर हो रहे हैं, टेक्नीशियंस बहुत सारे एक्सचेंज हो रहे हैं. एक जो फ़र्क मुझे लगता है वो ये है कि जब मूवी आपकी बन जाती है और उसके बाद जब प्रमोशन शुरू होता है तो मुझे लगता है बहुत डिफरेंस है. वहाँ पे आप 2 हफ्ते में शायद प्रमोशन एक हद तक कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे वास्ट ख़त्म ही नहीं होता. कितनी भी आप प्रमोशन कर लीजिए, 3 महीने 2 महीने भी कर लीजिए, उसके बाद भी शायद कुछ लोग आपको बोल सकते हैं कि थोड़ा और करना चाहिए था प्रमोशन.
No, it's also that South stars are very punctual. They are on time on the sets and all these things. You know, when you come here to Hindi,
नहीं, टाइम पे तो सभी जाते हैं आजकल. मुझे नहीं लगता, मैं पहले की स्टोरी सुनता था कि लोग शायद लेट आते थे, एक आधा शिफ्ट लेट. ऐसा मैंने अपने सामने आज तक कभी देखा नहीं है. थैंकफुली मैं जिन लोगों के साथ मैंने काम किया है उन लोगों ने मुझे सिखाया है. साउथ में मुझे सीखने को मिला है कि पंक्चुअलिटी. One of my most favorite directors on this planet.
पीटा के लिए मैं अपनी खाल भी खींचने के लिए तैयार हूँ। रेडी सर, रेडी सर। अभी मैंने रिसेंटली उनके लिए एक कैंपेन किया जहाँ पे वो लोग कहते हैं कि एनिमल से बनी हुई चीज़ें नहीं पहननी चाहिए, एनिमल स्किन से जो चीज़ें बनती हैं, खासकर लेदर। लेकिन मैं ग्वालियर से हूँ, वहाँ पे हमको ऐसा दिखाया जाता था, बताया जाता था कि बड़े माचो बनने की लेदर की जैकेट वगैरह। लेकिन ये माचोनेस अपनी और भी चीज़ों से आप इस्टेब्लिश कर सकते हैं। किसी जानवर की खाल खींचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो पीटा के साथ मैं जुड़ा हूँ, मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ और हमेशा जुड़ा रहना चाहता हूँ। श्योर, एक बिजॉय सर के साथ ही है, अभी जाके उनको पूछ के थैंक यू।